Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to Drummond Island, Michigan, up at Lake Huron. This has been an amazing Jeep trip. We had a great time. I wanted to send a special thank you before we do much else to Shannon, Deb, and Bob. We had some issues with the drive shaft, and while we're in the rain looking for a driveway to work on the Jeep, they not only let us use the driveway, they let us pull into the garage, offered us tools, and offered us help to get the Jeep going for the rest of the trip. Thank you very much, guys. That was awesome. We really appreciate it. Um, on top of that, the rest of the trip was pretty good. Had a great time, good wheeling. And now I think today we're heading up to Canada just so we can say we went there. And then we're going to head down to Mall of America so the wives and girls can go shopping. But great trip so far. It's just absolutely stunning and beautiful up here in Lake Huron. Jeep Jamboree crew was amazing. The spotting and the trail guides were second to none. Thank you very much, guys, and I'll try to, once we get to civilization and I can start editing videos, I'll put videos together for what we did over the vacation so far. Have a blessed day.